Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to look at gaps in my LVP flooring, and I've seen something online on how to fix this. We're going to look at it today. It's pretty easy. In order to get this done, the important things are going to be a hammer, a 2x6 by 18 inch board, and double-sided carpet tape. The curved knife, flathead screwdriver, utility knife, and pry bars will also be very helpful. We're going to clean this. So let me get this.
And what is it?
This is carpet tape. So we're going to take about this much carpet tape, about my hand, and then like this, push it down. You got this? Okay, and then I'm going to get that seam, push this down. I'm going to put a little bit of weight on this. All right, and then you see that seam again? Okay, and then I'm going to take this whole thing and I'm going to go sideways right up. I can also then remove this easily. Should be easy. This was one gap that we fixed, and so there might be more that are created when you fix this one. Keep an eye out for additional gaps that need to be repaired. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to like and subscribe.